Welcome back to Archeasents. This house is built on a hilly land with a design that adapts to the surrounding buildings. The unique shape of the roof, two intersecting gable roofs, reflects the characteristics of the location. This house is designed to maintain privacy from the street, but still offers expansive views of nature through large windows in the living and dining rooms. The design of the house allows for a smooth transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, with terraces that provide various viewpoints. Each room is designed to be visually connected to each other and to the surrounding nature. The interior of the house emphasizes the unique roof structure and the height of the rooms. The use of simple materials such as white walls and polished floor frames reinforces the geometric impression of the house design. The exterior of the house uses lamella wood material that provides a dynamic appearance and changes depending on the viewing angle. The prominent gable roof design further strengthens the visual characteristics of the house's facade.